Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can withdraw money from Z League. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open up the Z League application and then sign into your account. Now on your homepage, you need to tap on your profile icon at top right corner. From there, you'll go on to your account settings. So first of all, in order to withdraw, you need to claim account. And that is only possible by adding your email address and password. After claiming your account, what you need to do is you need to get back one step and you will see the transactions option. Here, you'll tap on the transactions option and all of your recent transactions will be displayed. Now, tap on the top button and a drop-down menu will open up. Simply select Cash Out from this menu and the cashing out history will appear on your screen. Now, if you have more than $20, it will give you an option to cash out. So, when you make more than $20, then you can cash out by adding your details. So that's basically how you can withdraw money from Z League. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.